4 proven home remedies to eliminate all kidney stones at one time. If you are looking for a home remedy for kidney stone, today we will learn 4 recipes that you can make at home that will solve this problem. Home remedy for kidney stone. We will now show you 4 proven homemade recipes so you can get rid of kidney stones and improve your health. You can choose the one you like best. Shall we begin? Lemon juice, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. This is undoubtedly one of the best home remedies for eliminate kidney stones and to end the terrible pain caused by them. What you should do: mix 2 tablespoons olive oil with 2 tablespoons lemon juice. This mixture should be ingested right away, avoiding savoring it since its taste will not be very enjoyable. Then drink 1 glass of natural water. Wait 30 minutes and then squeeze the juice of a medium lemon into half a glass of natural water and add this mixture 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Important: you should drink immediately. Repeat this recipe as many times as necessary. Home remedy: stop kidney stone using potato peel. Few people know that potato peel is a powerful home remedy for kidney stone. Most people throw potato skins in the trash because they don't know what they are rich in: magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, vitamins B and C, copper, and several others. In this case, we will use them to eliminate stones or kidney stones. To ingest them, first of all, you should wash them well and then remove the black spots. You can ingest them in various ways, either raw, roasted, or boiled. More, remember to not ingest the green potato peel, as it contains toxins like solanine, which is quite toxic to our body. Using watermelon seeds to eliminate kidney stones. Watermelon is very tasty fruit, and the seeds of watermelon help in the elimination of kidney stones. Boil about a half cup of watermelon seeds and let it cool down. Drink 1 glass a day until you eliminate the stones naturally. Salsa tea to kill all kidney stones. Take a packet of parsley, boil in the water for 10 minutes. Wait it cool down, cool it and drink it. It be stored in the refrigerator so you can be drinking through the day. If you do not want to drink this mixture alone, you can add along with other juice and drink through the day. Did you like these homemade recipes for eliminating kidney stones? If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!